everyone, this is Emily. Welcome back. This is the first video in 2020. Happy New Year everyone. Today we are going to make Angku Kuih. Angku Kuih means the red tortoise cake. It is one of the Malaysia signature cake and it is widely used in Chinese prayers. Angku Kuih has different types of fillings, but the most common one is the peanuts and mung bean fillings. Red tortoise cake, of course it is in red, but nowadays people will also use the pumpkin or sweet potato to make it into other colors. Now let's have a look at the ingredients and we are going to get started. For fillings, we need the oil, we need sugar and also the mung bean. These are the mung bean fillings which I have soaked for 4 hours. After filter and discard the water, we are going to steam the mung bean until it is softened. It will take about 30 minutes to steam, so at the meantime we have to get some banana leaves, so let's go! In Malaysia, we lay the Angku Kuih or the red tortoise cake on the banana leaves. However, if you don't have the banana leaves, you can use the non-stick baking paper. Using your finger to test, if the mung bean breaks easily, that means it is softened and cooked. When the mung bean is still hot, finely blend the mung bean. At this stage, it looks dry. We need to add the sugar and oil and blend again to form a sticky paste. Then divide into 30 grams each. Now we move on to make the skin, the oil, corn flour, the red coloring, water, and also the glutinous rice flour. Here is a little tip and also my experience to keep the red tortoise cake to stay soft after cooling down is by boiling a small piece of the dough and add it back to the original dough and combine. I'm using a plastic tortoise mold to shape it. If you can find a wooden one, that will be better because the print is more visible. Brush some oil onto the banana leaves, otherwise it will stick. After we finish everything, using a brush to brush off the excess glutinous flour, and we are ready to steam the Angku Kuih. When the water is boiling, steam for around 13 minutes under low heat. After it is finished, lightly brush some oil to prevent the sticking and to give the glossy look. Very good! It's very sweet. It's definitely the taste of Malaysia and the taste of memory. That's it for today. I will also include some other points in making this tortoise cake in the description below. I will see you again next time. Bye!